Oh damn, it's so good.
Dopamine hit.
I like Christian and she's off some cards earlier.
Ain't get shit.
Yeah, we did it. That was sad.
Barely made $100.
This is my fourth one I'm gonna send in.
Send it in. Send it in.
Guarantee 10.
There's no comps in this in the 10 though.
Yeah, there is.
So for Beckett, I don't see anything for Beckett.
Here.
For sure. I'm sending it to Beckett.
Really? So that's a bucket.
Romance Dawn.
Oh, he's so fucking good. I have one too. Bro, that's guaranteed. 10.
Guarantee 10.
Looks like a 9. A little whitening on the top, maybe. I can't
But then like a perfect 10. You know what I mean?
The pristine.
The pristine like 10, 10,
This
10.
won't get that.
You don't think so?
This will get the PSA 10.
You're thinking PSA 10?
That's how I felt about the manga. The manga. Ooh, damn,
Now, well, at least these old ones are still good print quality. I don't know about the new ones. I haven't really tried out that.
Can I get a picture?
I go put it in front. So clean.
Can you send that to me? Should we go in order? 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4. Damn, we got these motherfuckers for.
Dude, the mango in every single one?
One god pack.
Hey, manga, god pack.
God pack in English at that time.
Nah, they didn't. No, but manga. Damn.
Happy birthday. Ooh. Oh, this is hella clean. Luffy done.
Makes me want to rip open more stuff.
Yeah.
Rip it.
Yeah, give me that surgery spark.
Come on, I'm trying to quit my job. Oh, I got a leader. I seen a red back.
Oh, fuck. The dude got him.
Mother.
No, okay, these are the good ones.
These are the good ones. Oh. Oh.
Sanji?
SR Sanji.
Oh, that's nice. All right.
OPO5, $30
Let's
See
go,
white.
baby.
Dume. Motherfucker. No.